Welcome to Cambridge Motors Plumstead, established 1959, who have a BMW 2 Series M Sport 21 reg, fully loaded, diamond cut alloys, absolutely everything. This car's got so many extras. It's a 218i in metallic grey. You can't really see it unless you're in the sun actually. Parking sensors front and rear. Not sure if you can see that. You just about see it. It is metallic. Keyless, pillarless doors. Height adjustable passenger seat as well. There you have your glove box here. Two USB-Cs in the. Does it show you them? Here, two USB-Cs. Isofix rear seats. Got this quite nice piping down the seat. M Sport colours. I say pillarless, 4 pillarless doors. Spoiler. Camera in the boot there. Set of mats for the vehicle. Large storage area. That's your handbooks and that there. Quite like this pillarless doors actually. Quite a nice feature. 4 electric, and there's electric folding mirrors as well. You can see here, 4 electric mirrors, lock and unlock button there. Electronic lumbar support, height adjustable driver's seat. M Sport door guards. There you see that, 16,621 miles. There's a bit of a spaceship in here, ladies and gentlemen. Got this pocket here with a USB here, USB-C there to charge your phone. Obviously airbags up here, as you can see. Let's start the vehicle up. Start button is here. Foot on the brake. Another USB here. Turn off for a minute. This is your stereo here. You've also got this up here. So this is, if I push home, that takes you to this, and you've got your different settings here, apps, Android Auto, Carplay, navigation. There's too many options for me to show you really on here, but we would happily communication, media. When you put it into reverse, that's your camera there. Reversing park assist, reversing assistant camera. Got lots and lots and lots of extras. We would have really good quality picture as well. Park, which is here. You've got buttons here that obviously for your navigation, internet, different settings on your driving modes, handbrake, auto hold, steering wheel again. You can have, there's so many different options. You'll probably better have to call up. We will happily do a WhatsApp video call and run through all the different settings because there's so much to show you really. You got your voice here, cruise control, speed limiter here, M Sport steering wheel, Quite nice with this leather here. Auto wipers. I'll show you this. This is your lights here. Light switches. So there's lots and lots of heated seats. Aircon. It's climate control as well, dual climate, as you can see there. This is your anti-collision off and on there. Home. I'm sure you can use these buttons here to take you home. This will scroll through different things. That's your home button there. So if you're in something else, map, and you go home, takes you back to this screen here. Another power outlet here you can use. Nice pocket to store stuff. Nice little light there that lights up. Quite a nice idea. It lights up this area overnight. To turn it off, you push that. Foot on the brake. Push that. As long as you've got the key with you. Thank you for watching. Any questions, please give us a call.